Alright, I got 09 Audi Q7. I'm gonna show y'all how to do the rear pads on her. First thing you want to do is jack the car off, size 19mm. Take the lugs off, and then here you are. It's not set up like regular brakes. It's actually a pin holding everything in. Just one pin and a cotter pin. Take this cotter pin out right there. You're gonna need three of those pliers, a little flathead, punch, and a hammer. Start with the whoopties. Grab right here. Pull that pin out. Boom, slip it off to the side. Put your punch right here. Punch and a hammer. Punch that pin out. Pin is under pressure because of this plate right here, right? So if there's a way that you can relieve pressure off this plate, do so. It's getting replaced, so I'm just gonna pull my pin and then flex it so that I can push this pin the rest of the way through, because I bottomed out like that. Or I can just get on the back of it like this, snap it the rest of the way out. Take the hardware out. It just wrapped around the electrical connector on the brakes. His is broken, so this is why he needs brakes. So what we want to do is take this pin the rest of the way out. And you have to rotate it, spin it, whatever you got to do. And then your pads will come straight out. But this electrical connector is sitting in a bracket on the back. It's got a little tab with a little slot in it. This is where your flathead comes in. It'll go in the back like this, and it's a tab in there. You'll lift up on that tab, and then you'll be able to separate these two. So, also I don't able to see it, but stick it in there, lift up on that tab, and then I should be able to separate it. But you also got to get it out of this bracket, because where's it gonna go? There. Separate. It can be a difficult task sometimes. If you can't really see it, then what I like to do is, after you relieve it from that bracket, relieve it from this one as well. A little pinch right there. It was already broken, but don't break yours. See how easy it was. Here is where his is already broken. It's a line inside of here. But pull it out, pull your brake pad straight out. So once again, you can grab your needle nose or flathead screwdriver and pull them out like that. That's one. This one's gonna be a little difficult, so I'm gonna grab a longer screwdriver or maybe the punch. Get it out like that. Now with the electrical connector, I can just send it over the top now. Give you a better view of what's going on. It's got this clip that's like weird, but up inside is where the actual lever latches right there. You see, you lift that up right there. You lift that tab up and then separate these two. And then I'll show you how to get the sensors off the brake pads. Separate this thing. So fucking dirty, so dusty. So button really don't fucking work. Whatever. Okay, so with these, with the brakes, in order to get the sensor out, you'll pretty much squeeze these two together with something like this. They're usually not together like this one is. So squeeze them and you'll pull it up like that. Boom. So just squeeze these two tabs on the top and pull it up. I'll show you again. So you got, it'll be like this with the cord right in front of it or behind it. You'll squeeze these two tabs, pull up on it. Then you got two sets of pistons in there. So what I like to do is, if you can get something in between those, I like either use a pad or what I use on the other side. I use like a flathead blade screwdriver or something like this. You'll get it in there. You compress one side, put the pads in. I'm gonna start on this side since it's the smallest. But I'll compress it, put the pad in, and press this side and put the pad in as well. And that's how it's done on the A7.